Hello everyone. Good morning. Myself Sonali Ananta Hivrade and we are discussing the optional paper difference equation 2. So this is our lecture number 14 today and we will see the third unit's topic in this video. So let's start. The first theorem is if jy equals to summation from t equals to a plus 1 to b plus 2 f of t y of t delta y of t minus 1 with subject to y belongs to capital D of 1 capital D1. So D1 is the real valued function of y defined on the closed interval a and b plus 2 where y of a equals to capital A. त्याच्यासोबत दिलेली कंडिशन आहे हॅज अ लोकल एक्स्ट्रीमम ॲट y0 of t then y0 of t satisfies the EL equation, that is the Euler-Lagrange equation. So this is our EL equation and we have given that if this jy equal to this quantity with subject to y belongs to d1 and d1 is our real valued function of y. This is the set of real valued function. So it satisfies the EL equation for t in close interval a plus 1 and b plus 1, and these are the conditions given. Y0 of a equals to a and y0 of t satisfies the transversality condition. So this and this we have given, and we have to prove that if this jy is defined on d1 has a local extremum, then it satisfies the EL condition with y0 of a equals to a and the transversality condition. So let's prove it. So we will start with, we have if the simplest variational problem has a local extremum at y0 of t, then आपण आधीच्या थेरममध्ये पाहिलं आहे की इफ जर आपला सिम्पलेस्ट व्हेरिएशनल प्रॉब्लेम दॅट इज J1 ऑफ एटा याला जर का लोकल एक्स्ट्रीमम असला y0 ऑफ टी वरती, देन आपण J1 ऑफ एटा इक्वल्स टू लिहू शकतो लाईक दिस. So that is equals to 0 for all eta belongs to Q1. Here Q1 is the set of all real valued function eta, and that is defined on the closed interval a and b plus 2 such that eta of a equals to 0 and eta of b plus 2 equals to also 0. That is, for all eta belongs to Q1 equals to real valued function eta defined on the closed interval ab plus 2 such that eta of a equals to 0. That means Q1 आपला सेट आहे रिअल व्हॅल्यूड फंक्शनचा. कोणता? रिअल व्हॅल्यूड फंक्शनचा सेट आहे आणि इटा त्यात बिलॉंग करतो, म्हणून सेट ऑफ ऑल रिअल व्हॅल्यूड फंक्शन्स इटा which is defined on the closed interval a and b plus 2. So eta हा झाला real valued function which is defined on the closed interval a and b plus 2. त्यात तो बिलॉंग करतो म्हणून आपल्याला दिलेला आहे eta ऑफ a इक्वल्स टू 0. हा त्यात बिलॉंग करतो आणि ही कंडिशन सॅटिस्फाय करतो. नेक्स्ट वी ऑल्सो नो दॅट आपल्या लेमा आपण पाहिला फर्स्ट व्हिडिओमध्ये थर्ड युनिटचा, त्यानुसार आपण J1 ऑफ एटाला या प्रकारे लिहू शकतो. सो ही व्हॅल्यू आपल्याला त्या लेमामध्ये मिळून जाईल. तुम्ही तो व्हिडिओ पाहू शकता. नाव बाय लेटिंग y ऑफ टी इक्वल्स टू y0 ऑफ टी अँड युजिंग एटा ऑफ इक्वल्स टू 0. सो आपण इथे यूज करू y ऑफ टी इक्वल्स टू y0 ऑफ टी इन दिस होल इक्वेशन. So we get summation from t equals to a plus 1 to b plus 1 fu ty 0 of t delta y 0 of t minus 1 minus delta fv t y 0 of t delta y 0 of t minus 1 eta of t plus fu b plus 2 y 0 of b plus 2 delta y 0 of b plus 1 plus fe b plus 2 y 0 of b plus 2 delta y 0 of b plus 1 and eta b plus 2 equals to 0. आपण पुट केलं y of t च्या जागी y 0 of t. सी y of t च्या जागी आपण पुट केलं y 0 of t. आणि हे बघा इथे eta of a आहे, आपण यूज केला आहे eta of a इक्वल्स टू 0. सो त्याच्या जागी आपण 0 पुट केला. हां, eta of a च्या जागी आपण 0 पुट केला. Therefore this whole term will be 0 and we get this. So that is equals to 0 for all the eta in Q1. आपण आताच पाहिलं होतं eta belongs to Q1. Eta belongs to Q1. So all the eta which belongs to Q1, it will be 0 for all of them. Now since summation over t from a plus 1 to b plus 1 fu t y0 of t delta y0 of t minus 1 minus of delta fv t y0 of t delta y0 of t minus 1 eta of t will also be equals to 0. So therefore we get fu b plus 2 y0 of b plus 2 delta y0 of b plus 1 plus fv b plus 2 y0 of b plus 2 delta y0 of b plus 1 eta b plus 2 equals to 0. ही टर्म 0 होऊन गेली. बघा इथे ही टर्म 0 होऊन गेली म्हणून आपल्याला या दोन टर्मचं ॲडिशन इक्वल्स टू 0 मिळालं. अँड देअरफॉर इफ वी शिफ्ट दिस टर्म टू द राईट हँड साईड वी गेट fu b plus 2 y0 of b plus 2 delta y0 of b plus 1 plus fv b plus 2 y0 of b plus 2 delta y0 of b plus 1 equals to 0. Next, so for all eta belongs to Q1, since y0 is arbitrary, we get आत्ताच्या लास्ट इक्वेशनमध्ये आपल्याजवळ y0 आहे. y0 of b plus 2 delta y0 of b plus 1 here y0 of b plus 2 and delta y0 of b plus 1, but y0 is arbitrary, therefore we can put y of b plus 2 in the place of y0 of b plus 2. So in all the places where we have y0 we will keep y. So we get fu of b plus 2 y of b plus 2 delta y of b plus 1 plus v b plus 2 y of b plus 2 and delta y of b plus 1 equals to 0, and hence this is proved. Now the next theorem, this will be whole same. Now the next theorem, this is wholly same to the previous theorem, only here we have the transversality condition different. So let's start with theorem statement. If jy equals to summation f ty t t y of t delta y of t minus 1 subject to y belongs to d2. लास्ट थेरममध्ये इथे d1 दिलेलं होतं. So d2, what is d2? d2 is the real valued functions defined on closed interval a and b plus 2 where y of b plus 2 equals to capital B. आणि ही कंडिशन पण लास्ट थेरममध्ये डिफरंट होती. इथे होतं y of a equals to capital A. So it has a local extremum at y0, then y0 satisfies the real equation. सेम कंडिशन दिलेले आहेत आणि आपल्याला सेम प्रूफ करायचं आहे की जर का त्याला लोकल एक्स्ट्रीमम असलं y0 वरती देन तो y0 सॅटिस्फाय करेल युलर लॅग्रेंजेस इक्वेशन फॉर द t इन क्लोज इंटरवल a प्लस 1 अँड b प्लस 1. इथे इंटरवल चेंज झालेला आहे, कंडिशन चेंज झालेली आहे आणि ट्रान्सवर्सॅलिटी कंडिशनसुद्धा वेगळी दिलेली आहे. सो लेट स्टार्ट विथ द प्रूफ. We know that if the simplest variational problem has a local extremum at y0 of t, then j1 of eta equals to summation fu ty of t delta y of t minus 1 minus delta of fv t of t delta y of t minus 1 into eta of t minus fv a plus 1 y of a plus 1 delta of y of a eta of a plus fu b plus 2 y of b plus 2 delta of y of b plus 1 plus fv b plus 2 y of b plus 2 delta y of b plus 1 into eta of b plus 2 equals to 0. And same as we seen in the last theorem, all the eta belongs to Q3. So Q3 is a real valued functions on a and b plus 2 closed intervals such that eta of b plus 2 equals to 0. In the last theorem we had eta of a equals to 0. Now letting y equals to y0 of t. What will we suppose? Y equals to y0 of t and eta of b plus 2 equals to 0. So by using this both condition, we will solve the next part. So we obtain fv a plus 1 y of a plus 1 delta of a equals to 0. And how we get it? We had put the y equals to y0 of t in the place of y. We had kept the y0 of t in whole this term and also the eta b plus 2 equals to 0. So wherever we have eta b plus 2 equals to 0, we will put 0 there. So this whole term will be 0 and we will get fv a plus 1 y of a plus 1 delta of y of a equals to 0, and hence this theorem is proved. Now the next part, that is the example over this. So the example is, assume that the jy equals to t from a to 100 2 into 1 by 6 to the power t y square of t minus 1 by 6 to the power t minus 1 delta y of t minus 1 equals to 0, and subject to y defined on this closed interval of 0 and 100, and y of 100 equals to 3 to the power 101 minus 3 into 2 to the power 101 has a maximum at y0 of t, and find y0 of t. So we have given this equation with subject to y, which is defined on the closed interval, and we have given the value of y of 100 and that have a maximum at y0 of t, and we have to find the y0 of t. So let's start with the solution. So here f of tu v equals to, आपण जर याला आपल्या मेन इक्वेशनशी कंपेअर केलं तर आपल्याला मिळेल की एफ ऑफ टी यू व्हीची व्हॅल्यू आहे 2 इंटू 1/6 टू द पॉवर टी यू स्क्वेअर. वाय स्क्वेअर ऑफ टीच्या जागी काय असतो? यू स्क्वेअर, कारण वाय ऑफ टीची व्हॅल्यू असते यू ऑफ टी. वाय ऑफ टीची व्हॅल्यू काय असते? यू. आणि डेल्टा वाय ऑफ टी मायनस 1ची व्हॅल्यू काय असते? व्ही. सो in the place of y square of t, we have u square, and in the place of delta y of t minus 1, we have v square. So next is fu equals to 4 into 1/6 to the power t into u. We have differentiated this with u and then by v. So if we differentiate by u, we will get 4 into 1/6 to the power t into u, and for v, we will get minus 2 into 1/6 to the power t minus 1 into v. Now it follows the EL equation. What is the EL equation? It is fu minus delta fv equals to 0. So fu is this and fv is this. So we have kept the values. Now we will solve further. So delta of 1 by 6 to the power t minus 1 into delta of y of t minus 1. So we have taken this term first and then this term. So minus minus plus delta 1 by 6 to the power t minus 1 and delta y of t minus 1 on the place of v. So 4 and 2 we had 2 in common. So we will take 2 outside and shift it to the right hand side. So 2 will be vanished and 4, this will be divided by 2. So we have 2 left here and 1 by 6 to the power t and u च्या जागी आपण घेतलंय y of t equals to 0. Therefore 1 by 6 to the power t y of t plus 1 minus 1 by 6 to the power t minus 1 delta y of t minus 1 plus 1 by 6 to the power t y of t equals to 0. आपण डेल्टा आतमध्ये अप्लाय केला. त्याच्यानंतर 1 by 6 to the power t y of t plus 1 minus of 1 by 6 to the power t y of t minus 1 by 6 to the power t minus 1 y of t. हा डेल्टा पण आपल्याला अप्लाय करायचा आहे. त्याच्यानंतर आपल्याला या टर्म्स मिळतील. देन y of t plus 1 minus y of t minus 6y of t plus 6y of t minus 1 plus 2y of t equals to 0. So how we get this term? We had multiplied by 6 to this equation. So we get y of t plus 1 minus 5y of t plus 6y of t minus 1 equals to 0. This y of t, this y of t and this y of t. So minus 1 minus 6 plus 2 and y of t will give minus 5y of t plus 6y of t minus 1 equals to 0. So the solution is 2 to the power t and 3 to the power t. So y of t will be a into 2 to the power t plus b into 3 to the power t. So delta y of t will be a into 2 to the power t plus 2 into b 3 to the power t. And the transversality condition gives, आपण आताच्या 2 थेरममध्ये ट्रान्सवर्सॅलिटी कंडिशन पाहिल्या, ती काय देईल आपल्याला? fv equals to a plus 1 y of a plus 1 delta y of a equals to 0 equals to minus 2 into 1 by 6 delta y of a equals to 0. काय होतं आपल्याजवळ? fv equals to minus 2 1 by 6 t minus 1 v. So this is the fv and delta y of 0 equals to 0. We have shifted this to this side. Then delta y of 0 equals to 0. Therefore a into 2 to the power 0 t च्या जागी आपल्याला 0 पुट करायचा plus 2 into b 3 to the power 0 equals to 0. Now a will be equals to minus 2b. This will go to this side and minus 2b. Therefore y0 of t equals to b into 3 to the power t minus 2 to the power t plus 1. Now आपल्याजवळ y0 ऑफ 100ची व्हॅल्यू दिलेली होती, ती होती 3 to the power 101 minus 3 into 2 to the power 101. आणि आपल्याजवळ y0 ऑफ टीची सुद्धा व्हॅल्यू आहे. यातून आपल्याला 3 कॉमन दिसतं म्हणून आपण 3 कॉमन घ्यायचा. 3 बाहेर 3 into 3 to the power 100. 3 to the power 101 मधनं एक 3 जर आपण बाहेर काढला तर काय होतं? 3 to the power 100 minus 2101 as it is. Now y0 of 100 will be equal to b of 3 to the power 100 minus 2101 from this equation. So now this and this will be equal because their left hand side is equal. So right hand side will be equal. Therefore we get b equals to 3. Therefore y0 of t is equals to 3 into 3 to the power t minus 2 to the power t plus 1 is the required solution of y0 of t. Now the next example. The next example is, assume that the j of y is equals to summation from t equals to 1 to 100 3 delta y of t minus 1 whole square plus 4y square of t subject to y of t defined on the closed interval 0 100 with y0 of 3 has a minimum at y0 of t, and we have to find y0 of t. Now solution. Here f of t uv is equals to 3v square plus 4u square. You all know this is the value of v and this is the value of u. So in the place of delta y of t minus 1 we had v, and in the place of y of t we had u. So by keeping this we get 3v square plus 4u square. Now differentiating this with u and v, we get, for u we get 8u and for v we get 6v. So fu equals to 8y of t because y of t equals to u. So u च्या जागी आपल्याला y of t put करायचा. fu will be 8y of t and fv will be 6 delta y of t minus 1. Therefore the EL equation काय होतं आपलं? fu minus delta f equals to 0. So EL equation will be 8y of t minus delta 6 into delta y of t minus 1 equals to 0. So 6 delta square y of t minus 1 हा delta आत गेला, delta square y of t minus 1 minus of 8 y of t equals to 0. आपण याची साईड चेंज केली म्हणून साइन्स चेंज झाला. So 6 and 8 both are divisible by 2. So we get 3 delta square y of t minus 1 minus 4y of t equals to 0. 3y of t plus 1 minus 10y of t plus 3y of t minus 1. By applying this delta we get this whole term and that is equals to 0. Hence y0 of t will be, याचे आपल्याला रूट्स काढायचे. रूट्स काय मिळतील? 1/3 to the power t and 3 to the power t. So y0 of t equals to a into 1/3 to the power t plus b into 3 to the power t. Now y0 of 0 equals to 3 आपल्याला दिलेलं आहे ना स्टेटमेंटमध्ये, क्वेश्चनमध्ये. सो y0 of 0 equals to 3, a plus b equals to 3. y0 of t च्या या व्हॅल्यूजमध्ये पुट करायचं. इथे 0, इथे 0. सो a plus b will be equals to 3. So b equals to 3 minus a and therefore y0 of t equals to a into 1/3 to the power t and 3 minus a into 3 to the power t. So y0 of t will a into 1/3 to the power t plus 3 to the power t plus 1 minus a into 3 to the power t, and therefore the transversality condition gives eight y of 100 plus 6 delta y of 100 minus 1 equals to 0. So 8y of 100 plus 6 delta y of 99 equals to 0. So these both are divisible by 2. Therefore 4y of 100 plus 3 into delta of y of 99 equals to 0. Then 4y of 100 plus 3y of 100 minus 3y of 99. We have applied this delta. Therefore it is equals to 0. Then 4 plus 3, 7y of 100 minus 3y of 99 equals to 0. Now we will get the roots by this. So 7 into y of 100 value a into 1/3 to the power 100 plus 7 into 3 to the power 101 minus 7 into a to the power a into 3 to the power 100. Now for y99, so minus 3 into 3a into a 1 minus 3a into 1/3 to the power 99 minus 3 to the power 101 minus a into 3 and 3 to the power 99 equals to 0. Minus this will give minus 2a 1 by 3 to the power 100 minus 6 into a into 3 to the power 100 equals to minus 6 into 3 to the power 101. So our a will be minus 6 into 3 to the power 101 upon minus 2 into 1 by 3 to the power 100 minus 6 into 3 to the power 100. या दोन्ही टर्ममधनं आपण ए कॉमन काढू. ए लेफ्ट साईडला आणि या दोन्ही टर्म आपण राईट साईडला पाठवू ह्याच्या डिनॉमिनेटरला. सो देअरफोर वी विल गेट 6 into 3 to the power 101. This minus minus get cancelled, and 2 plus 6 into 3 to the power 200 upon 3 to the power 100. This will give 2 into 3 to the power 202 upon 2 into 1 plus 3 to the power 201. And the value of a will be a equals to 3 to the power 202 upon 1 plus 3 to the power 201. And therefore the y0 of t will be, this is the a and this will be b. So 3 to the power 202 upon 1 plus 3 to the power 201 into 1 by 3 to the power t plus value of b minus 3 to the power 202 upon 1 plus 3 to the power 201 into 3 to the power t. And by solving we get 3 to the power 202 upon 1 plus 3 to the power 201 1 by 3 to the power t minus 3 to the power t plus 3 to the power t plus 1. These both terms are equal. So we will take it common, 1 by 3 to the power t as it is and 3 to the power t minus मध्ये plus 3 to the power t plus 1, and that is the required y0 of t. And this is done for the today's lecture. Next we will see in the next video. Thank you, students.